We all want financial freedom. It's a universal desire, a dream that transcends cultures and backgrounds. The idea of living without the constant worry of bills, debts, and financial constraints is incredibly appealing. But how do we achieve it? We want to live without worry about money. We want to spend our time enjoying life, creating memories with loved ones, and pursuing our passions. Financial freedom means having the ability to make choices that aren't solely driven by financial necessity. Minimalism can be our path to that freedom. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle, we strip away the excess and focus on what truly brings us joy and fulfillment. It's about creating a life that aligns with our values and priorities. It helps us focus on what truly matters. When we remove the distractions of material possessions, we can concentrate on our mental and emotional well-being. Minimalism encourages mindfulness and intentionality in every aspect of our lives. By simplifying our finances, we can live more intentionally. This means creating a budget that reflects our true needs and goals, cutting out unnecessary expenses, and being mindful of our spending habits. It's about making our money work for us, not the other way around. Minimalism is about having enough. It's not about deprivation, but about finding contentment with what we have. It's about recognizing that more stuff doesn't equate to more happiness. Instead, we find joy in simplicity and sufficiency. It's about prioritizing experiences over things. The memories we create with our loved ones, the adventures we embark on, and the simple pleasures of life become our greatest treasures. These experiences enrich our lives far more than any material possession ever could. When we let go of material possessions, we gain financial control. Decluttering our lives not only frees up physical space, but also mental space. It allows us to focus on our financial goals and make more deliberate choices with our money. We find freedom from debt and stress. By reducing our financial obligations, we can breathe easier and live with less anxiety. This newfound freedom opens up opportunities for us to invest in our future and pursue our dreams. Imagine a life with less financial burden. A life where you can wake up each day without the weight of financial stress on your shoulders. This is the promise of minimalism, a simpler, more intentional way of living that brings peace and fulfillment. Imagine having more time for loved ones. With fewer financial worries, you can dedicate more time to the people who matter most. You can be present in the moment, creating lasting memories and deepening your relationships. This is the promise of minimalist living. It's about finding joy in the simple things, appreciating the present, and living a life that is rich in experiences and connections. It's a life filled with purpose, not just possessions. Minimalism encourages us to pursue our passions, explore our creativity, and live authentically. It's about aligning our actions with our values and finding fulfillment in the process. Let's explore how minimalism can revolutionize your relationship with money. By adopting minimalist principles, you can transform your financial habits and create a more sustainable and fulfilling lifestyle. Discover the joy of financial simplicity and abundance. Embrace the freedom that comes with living within your means and focusing on what truly matters. Let go of financial clutter and embrace a life of true wealth. True wealth isn't measured by the amount of stuff we accumulate, but by the richness of our experiences and the depth of our relationships. Minimalism offers a path to this kind of wealth, one that is sustainable and deeply fulfilling. Financial clutter weighs us down. It's the unnecessary bills, the unused subscriptions, and the endless paperwork that piles up over time. Each piece of paper, each unopened bill, and each forgotten subscription adds to the mental load we carry daily. This clutter isn't just physical. It manifests as a constant, nagging worry in the back of our minds. It's the impulse purchases we later regret. Those moments of retail therapy that seemed like a good idea at the time but now only serve as a reminder of money wasted. The shopping bags that overflow, the receipts that pile up, all contribute to a sense of financial chaos. All this clutter steals our peace of mind. It creates a mental fog that makes it hard to focus on what truly matters. The stress of managing these financial burdens can be overwhelming, leading to sleepless nights and constant anxiety. When we hold on to too much, we feel stressed. The weight of financial clutter can be paralyzing, making it difficult to take action and move forward. We become trapped in a cycle of worry and inaction. We worry about payments and debt. The constant concern over how to make ends meet, how to pay off credit card bills, and how to manage overdue payments can dominate our thoughts. This worry can strain relationships and affect our overall well-being. This worry keeps us from enjoying life's simple pleasures. We miss out on social events, family gatherings, and moments of joy because we're preoccupied with financial stress. The burden of financial clutter can isolate us from the people and activities that bring us happiness. It prevents us from reaching our full potential. The mental energy spent worrying about finances could be better used to pursue our goals and dreams. Financial clutter can hold us back from achieving success in our personal and professional lives. Imagine a life free of this financial burden. A life where you can focus on what truly matters without the constant distraction of financial worries. A life where you can breathe easy, knowing that your finances are in order. A life where your money works for you, not the other way around. By taking control of your finances, you can create a system that supports your goals and dreams. With the right tools and mindset, you can turn financial chaos into financial freedom. This is possible through the power of minimalism. By simplifying your financial life, you can reduce stress and gain clarity. A minimalist approach to finances means focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the rest. By clearing the clutter, we gain clarity. We can see our financial situation more clearly and make better decisions. Organizing our financial documents and creating a system that works for us can lead to a more peaceful and productive life. We can then focus on what truly matters. With financial clutter out of the way, we can dedicate our time and energy to the people and activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. We can use our resources for experiences, not just things. By prioritizing experiences over material possessions, we can create lasting memories and live a more meaningful life. Financial freedom allows us to invest in the moments that matter most. Taking the first step is always the hardest, but simplifying your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by identifying your financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Next, track your spending. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. This will reveal areas where you can cut back. Look for subscriptions you don't use or unnecessary expenses. Once you have a clear picture, create a budget. A minimalist budget prioritizes needs over wants. It helps you save for your goals and avoid overspending. Remember, minimalism is a journey, not a race. Start small, be patient, and celebrate your progress along the way. Budgeting doesn't have to be restrictive. In fact, it can be quite liberating when done right. A minimalist budget is not about cutting out all the fun from your life. Instead, it's about making intentional choices with your money. By focusing on what truly matters to you, you can create a budget that supports your goals and values. A minimalist budget is about conscious spending. It's about being aware of where your money is going and making sure it aligns with your priorities. This approach helps you avoid unnecessary expenses and ensures that your spending reflects your values. It's about aligning your spending with your values. When you spend money on things that matter to you, you feel more satisfied and less stressed about your finances. This alignment can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Start with the 50/30/20 rule. This simple guideline helps you allocate your income in a balanced way. 50% of your income should go towards your needs, such as housing, food, and utilities. These are the essentials that you can't live without. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This structure ensures that you're covering your basic needs, enjoying your life, and preparing for the future, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This portion of your budget is crucial for building a financial safety net and achieving your long-term goals. It's important to prioritize saving and paying off debt to secure your financial future. Adjust these percentages based on your individual circumstances. Everyone's financial situation is different, so it's important to tailor your budget to fit your needs. If you have high debt, you might allocate more to debt repayment. If you're saving for a big purchase, you might increase your savings percentage. Focus on needs first: housing, food, transportation, and utilities. These are the essentials that keep your life running smoothly. Make sure these expenses are covered before allocating money to other categories. Then, allocate funds for your wants, like entertainment and hobbies. These are the things that bring joy and enrichment to your life. It's important to have a balance between needs and wants to maintain a happy and fulfilling lifestyle. Remember to prioritize experiences over material possessions. Make saving automatic. Experiences often provide more lasting happiness than material goods. By prioritizing experiences, you can create meaningful memories without cluttering your life with unnecessary items. Set up a system where a portion of your income goes directly into a savings account. Automating your savings makes it easier to stick to your budget and ensures that you're consistently putting money aside for the future. This will help you build a financial safety net. Having savings gives you peace of mind and prepares you for unexpected expenses. It's a crucial part of a minimalist budget and achieve your long-term goals. Whether it's buying a home, traveling, or retiring comfortably, a minimalist budget can help you reach your dreams. By being intentional with your spending and saving, you can create a financial plan that supports your aspirations and leads to a more fulfilling life. The joy of mindful spending. Minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices with your money. It's about spending on things that add value to your life. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I need this? Will it truly make me happy? Is there a more sustainable or ethical alternative? Choose quality over quantity. Invest in well-made, durable items that will last. This reduces waste and saves you money in the long run. Remember, experiences create lasting memories. Prioritize spending on travel, hobbies, and quality time with loved ones. These experiences enrich our lives more than material possessions. Cultivating contentment in a consumerist world. We live in a society that constantly encourages us to buy more. Advertisements tell us we need the latest gadgets and trends to be happy. Minimalism helps us resist these pressures. Practice gratitude for what you already have. Take time each day to appreciate the abundance in your life, both big and small. Focus on experiences and relationships. These are the things that truly matter. Spend time in nature, connect with loved ones, and pursue your passions. Remember, comparison is the thief of joy. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Focus on your own journey and define success on your own terms. Positive affirmations for financial abundance. Words have power. Positive affirmations can shift our mindset towards abundance. Repeat these affirmations daily to attract financial well-being. I am worthy of financial abundance. Money flows into my life effortlessly. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. I make wise financial decisions. I am grateful for all the abundance in my life. Believe in the power of these affirmations. Embrace a mindset of abundance and watch your financial reality transform. Embracing a minimalist money mindset. Minimalism is more than just decluttering your home and finances. It's about adopting a new mindset. It's about prioritizing what truly matters and aligning your spending with your values. Let go of the need for approval from others. Your worth is not defined by your possessions. Embrace a simpler, more intentional way of life. Focus on experiences, personal growth, and giving back to your community. These are the things that bring true happiness and fulfillment. Remember, minimalism is a journey, not a destination. It's an ongoing process of simplifying, refining, and aligning your life with your values. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. You have the power to create the life you desire. Minimalism offers a path to financial freedom and a more fulfilling life. Start your journey today. Take small steps. Declutter your finances, create a budget, and spend mindfully. Embrace positive affirmations and cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Remember, you are not alone. There is a growing community of minimalists who are here to support you on your journey. Start living intentionally. Choose experiences over things. Find freedom from financial stress and embrace a life of true wealth and abundance.